Today's topic is Vicks Starry Night Cool Mist Humidifier Filter Reviews. Vicks Starry Night Cool Mist Humidifier Filter Reviews. If you're using Vicks Starry Night with the Protect WF2, it'll work on all other models that use Protect WF2. This filter material is resistant to the growth and migration of hazardous chemicals. Filters designed for the 2020 model have a higher moisture output. The filter stays rigid and erects regardless of the weather conditions. Water pollutants and dissolved solids are trapped before they become airborne. Vicks Starry Night Cool Mist Humidifier Filter is a leading manufacturer of high-quality replacement humidifier filters. The line of replacement humidifier filters is designed to fit the following brand name humidifiers: Vicks, Kaz, Envirocare, Rely-On, and many others. They offer both standard and premium grade filter media that you will find in our product line. Vicks Starry Night Cool Mist Humidifier for dry skin. If you use the Vicks Starry Night Cool Mist Humidifier for dry skin, you may got these benefits below. Number 1. Adds moisture to the air, reducing dryness and irritation. Number 2. Moisturizes skin for up to 24 hours. Number 3. Quiet operation, won't disrupt sleep or activities. Thanks for watching this video.